What's going on, guys? Matt Schaeffer back here from Musaic Design, another OEM stealth radar and laser system for you. This one in a Tesla Model S. We use the Escort Max CI 360, in which we use the 4 diffusers up front. Now, in the states that he drives, there is never a threat of being hit with rear laser, so we really wanted to cover the front end with the shifters. So we have 2 different pairs of shifters. We have 2 shifters up top, 2 shifters right here, and they're both hidden behind IR acrylic. So they're completely invisible to the eye. We were able to laser CNC this out of the top of the IR acrylic and slide it right in there so it fits 100% seamless. So there's literally nothing to see. It's right here behind the IR acrylic up top. Same thing with the bottom. So this whole acrylic panel was made. I can overlay some pictures here so you can kind of see what it looks like and how it's made. So yeah, again, they're both completely invisible to the eye in the front. You would never know anything's installed here, which is really different than how these are installed most of the time, where they're out in the open and, you know, any officer or cop can easily see what, you know, see the shifter there on the front end of the car. The front radar is tuckered right here behind the bumper. And of course the rear radar is tuckered right here in the back. I'll overlay a picture so you can see it. Now, as far as the inside goes and the integration with the display, we always like to, you know, just not stick the display somewhere on the dash or anything like that. We always like to have everything completely integrated in. So in this case, we have our Escort display mounted in this panel below. We also did a really high-end audio upgrade in this. I'll attach the video at the end of this so you can see that. We also did a very high-end audio system in this car. I can attach the video in the link in the description or have it at the end of the video so you can see it, but if not, check that out because we've done a lot of high-end audio here in the same build. But the display, we basically refabricated this whole bottom pocket to accept the Moscone controller for the audio system and of course our display for our Escort. The controller is made in a little acrylic pod down here to fit right in, and of course you can still completely hide all of that in the center console. So the reason I love the Escort so much is mostly for the radar side of things. It's very adaptable, very programmable. You can narrow the bands. I would say Escort probably has the best radar receivers on the market that I've seen and that I've used personally. The Escort just doesn't false like a lot of the other systems will tend to do, especially if you're coming up to you know, your speed is type sign, that, you know, those pop-up signs with radar. You know, this thing will not false on anything like that. You also cannot take like a traditional like Bushnell radar gun and trigger the system because it knows that it's not actually a threat. So love the Escort system. The shifters also perform excellent when we test the different cars that we install them into. This car should be very solid up front given that it has those 2 different sets of shifters installed up front. But great system, uses GPS. They also have an app that you can pair with this that is kind of like your Waze, where it connects with other systems throughout, I guess, the country, and will tell you alerts and things of that nature in real time. Like always, guys, I appreciate you guys following. We've done a ton of different radar and laser systems. You can check out our website. I would say that's the best source of information to see all the different systems that we've done in different cars, see our different takes and how we install the shifters, see how we install the different displays and all that kind of stuff. So if you go to musaicdesign.com/radar, that will pop up. We do OEM Stealth and OEM Standard. OEM Standard is obviously your typical way to install the shifters. Most people go with OEM Stealth, in which we do everything in a completely stealth format. So check that out. Check out the website. Check out the videos on YouTube. We've done a lot of different videos for radar and laser. You can check out the whole playlist of radar and laser if you want to go through them. Follow our Instagram handles. We got 3 down below are my phone number followed by my email. These are the 2 best ways to contact me if you want to get a build done. Follow the YouTube channel, subscribe, hit that alert to get notifications anytime we drop a new video. And thanks for the support, guys, and until next time, we'll see you later.